Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your Clickup workspace look cleaner, more organized, and easier to manage by setting up consistent status colors across all your project views. This is a small customization feature, but it can seriously improve the way you manage tasks because it helps you instantly recognize different workflow stages without needing to read every task title individually. We'll be using the Status Manager, which is basically the main control center for all your workflow statuses in Clickup. From there, you can manage the names of your statuses, change their order, and customize the colors connected to each one. The best part is that any update you make inside the Status Manager automatically syncs across your entire workspace, so your colors stay consistent everywhere. Before changing anything, let's quickly understand how statuses appear in different Clickup views. In Board View, tasks are displayed as cards arranged into vertical columns. Each column represents a status like To Do, In Progress, Review, or Complete. The colors assigned to those statuses are visible throughout the column, making it easier to track progress visually. In List View, things look a little different. Instead of cards and columns, tasks appear in a simple vertical list. However, the status colors are still there, shown as small colored labels or indicators beside each task. Even though the layouts are different, both views rely on the same status system, which is why updating colors in one place affects everything. Now, let's start customizing the colors. First, switch over to Board View and find the status column you want to edit. For this example, let's use the In Progress column. At the top of the column, click the three-dot menu icon. This will open a drop-down menu containing several options related to that workflow stage. From the drop-down menu, choose Edit Statuses. This opens the Status Manager panel where all the statuses for your project are listed together. Inside the panel, locate the status you want to customize. Beside the status name, you'll see its current assigned color. Click on the color box to open the color picker. Once the palette appears, choose a new color that better matches your workflow style or project organization system. For example, you might choose yellow for in-progress tasks so active work stands out more clearly from completed or pending tasks. You can experiment with different shades and combinations until the workspace feels visually balanced and easy to read. After selecting the new color, save or apply the changes and close the Status Manager. The update will happen instantly across your entire workspace. In Board View, the column header and task cards will now display the updated color. If you switch back to List View, you'll also notice the same updated color beside every related task as well. This is a quick and effective way to keep your Clickup workspace visually organized, professional, and much easier to navigate, especially when managing large projects or working with a team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next one.